What's going on, guys? It's Nick, and today we're gonna be literally finding hot products live on my PC. I have no clue exactly which niche I'm gonna pick, what products I'm gonna select, but they're gonna be hot, and we're gonna do it exactly from scratch because I see a lot of you struggling with, finding hot products, and a lot of you are not actually able to even find a niche. So we're gonna do it exactly. I'm gonna put myself in your shoes, and we are gonna find a brand new niche and a brand new hot product and a few more products with the proper research you need to find it. And you can go ahead, take this niche and take this product. I really don't mind. It's all for free for you guys. Before we get started, just want to give a shout out to Josh. Congrats, dude. He actually made his first $1,000 within his first 2 or 3 weeks. It's absolutely crazy. This is just to show you guys it's actually possible. And yeah, you guys have been absolutely crushing it in the course, guys. I really just love to see these screenshots and the results. It just makes me so happy. And for the other people, I just want to show you guys this is actually possible. Okay, this is to motivate you guys to actually go and take action, do the work. It's not that hard. You're not that far away from it, right? For those of you who are really serious about this and want the safest way to make money through drop shipping, and you don't want to lose money testing and you don't want to waste time testing, I do have a drop shipping course. This is the first link in the description. I reveal my website in the course, my products, a lot of stuff, and it's even comes with the sales guarantees, a lot of good stuff right there. So I'm gonna link a video for it right here. It's just for helping you guys. So yeah, if you're really serious about making this a full-time income, I would highly recommend you check it out. And really, it's not even about full-time anymore. Like, I work for like, I don't know, 1 hour or 1.5 hours a day, and I have almost 4 stores now. So all I do is just take my ads, and I take my ads and send them to the influencers or Facebook ads, whatever I have to do for whatever store. It doesn't take me more than an hour every day or every other day to act. Like, imagine, guys, 1 hour of work in 2 days to make hundreds of dollars every single day. All I have to do is, because once your website is ready, once you know that everything is working properly, at that point there's literally nothing more to do. Like, all you have to do now is literally, like, I don't know if it sounds weird, but you just have to count money now. Like, that's it. Once you have your website settled and everything's going perfectly, you just gotta keep sending out ads and spending more money and making more money back. But yeah, without any further ado, let's get right in. Alright, so as you guys can see, we are right here, and I have no idea what I'm going to be picking. I have no idea of my niche and how will I find the hot product, right? So now we're going to begin and find an actual niche. So we can do a general store, but I would suggest that you guys start with a niche store, because that way you will actually know what to sell. But you can also go with the general store. It really doesn't really matter that much, depends on what you really like to do. So obviously the first thing is that once you have your niche selected, it will be a lot easier to find products. So we are going to select a niche right now just for this video, so I can actually find hot products in that niche. So if this is your niche, well, you're lucky. So I have no idea what to look for. We're literally going to go on Google and we're going to write down top 10 niches, literally like top 50 niches. I'm just writing randomly top 50 niches. And look how quickly we're going to find some ideas for niches. Let's see. This website, we've got archery, boat, lens, traveling cats. Okay, this might give me an idea for cat niche. Cat niche, okay, this is giving me an idea of a pet niche. So I think pet niche can be really good. So as you guys can see, I literally looked through 4 of these titles and I saw traveling cats. Now this gives me an idea of travel and cats. Now I already done travel before, it didn't really work out that well. So I think cats would be a really good product to get into. So we're gonna type cats, and then we're gonna write pets. So I'm just gonna go up and look top 5 pets, and as you guys can see, we got top 5 most common house pets. So basically what we're doing right now is we're researching a niche, and there are many ways of doing this, but this is probably the most simplest way. So you can see dogs, cats, fish, birds, and rabbits. So I think cats, yeah, look at this. Approximately 38.9 million American households own cats. That's amazing. So we're gonna go with cats for this niche. We just picked the niche. So you guys saw how easy it was. I literally looked up top 50 niches online, and I instantly found a travel or cat niche, and then I looked up top 5 pets, and that gave me the idea of maybe dogs or cats or fish or whatever. And that's it. I literally just found my niche. So now we have to go for the cat niche. So first up, we're obviously gonna look up on AliExpress. Alright, so we just wrote cat in AliExpress, and we're gonna sort by orders. And as you guys can see, we have some good stuff over here. 14,000 orders for this electrical rotating colorful butterfly. And there are a lot of equipment over here for cats in itself, and these are really good, by the way. They're really high selling. And I would go with this one because this looks amazing. This is actually a cat grooming brush, and it's literally amazing because you can just wear it. And I can see that this item is very useful, and people will love this item. So I can already see it's only $3 to $6. And yeah, I think this is gonna be our hot product. Just to confirm this, well, the second thing that I do is I look over here. They open for only 1 year, so I would probably avoid this, but since they have so many orders, I can trust them. Then you can see their positive feedback is amazing. 98.9% is absolutely incredible. Then we're gonna go all the way down, and we are gonna see this part where it says packaging details, and it's gonna show the amount of times it's been ordered. Let me just, if this loads real quick. I'm literally having to wait for a page to load live. So as you guys can see, 26th of February, that is just today. A lot of people have been buying this product today, yesterday, 3 days, 4 days, and 5 pages. So we have literally 5 pages of orders just today, and which is absolutely incredible. This product is very high selling. So if you're in the cat niche right now, you are in luck. I just found a really hot selling product. So you guys saw how quickly I just literally went on Google. I looked up the top 15 niches just randomly because people have different preferences. They don't really research like I do sometimes. So a lot of people do research. Some people just write it in a Google document or whatever. Just, you know, some people actually just write it in Google blogs or whatever. We just looked at a Google blog earlier. So as you guys saw, I literally just found the top 50 niches. The fourth name said traveling cats, which made me a little bit interested in that. So I got 2 ideas, okay, travel and cats. And now I'm like, okay, what should I go for? I was like, okay, let's go with cats. And then I say, I thought, hey, cat is a pet. So why not just look for the top 5 pets, and maybe I'll find something better than cats. So there I found dogs, and I also found cats. So I'm like, okay, well, cats is in the top 5 pets, which is absolutely incredible. So a cat product would be a really good. So what we're gonna do now, as you guys can see, we just went on AliExpress, wrote cat, sorted by orders, and looked for a really good product right here. Now, the best thing about this, guys, is the reason I would pick this product instead of this product, like this, the cat, because this can be used by people, and this is a useful item. Useful items always sell well more than people just think they're cool. Of course, if the item is really cool, then, you know, anyone's gonna buy Gucci. But I'm telling you guys that if the useful items usually sell a lot more, tend to sell a lot more. So as you guys can see, $3 to $6. I would usually price this, and now you guys know exactly why this is best selling. It has a ton of orders, and it has a ton of orders right now. It's gaining a ton of traction, and it's just a really good product in itself. So I would probably price this product at $17 or maybe $18, and I would make a really heck ton of an ROI just from this product. So there you guys go, from scratch. We just found a really hot product ready for testing, and you guys can go ahead and take this for free. I really don't mind. So we're gonna go ahead and look for one more product, and this time it's gonna be a little bit different. So instead of just writing cat, what you can do is you can go on Google Trends. So you go on this website called trends.google.com, and you're gonna type cat, okay? And this is a really amazing trick. So right now, if you just write cat, you're gonna be able to see all these things: rusty, spotted cat, all the stuff. But what you're gonna do now is you're gonna write cat bracelet, okay? Watch carefully what happens. So we're gonna write cat bracelet, and then we're gonna compare it with cat necklace. So now we can tell, okay, here you guys go, boom. So the cat bracelet is less popular than the cat necklace. The cat necklace is literally almost twice the demand, more than twice the demand of the cat bracelet. So this way you guys would know that instead of using a cat bracelet, you'd be more likely to sell a cat necklace, alright? This also gives you an idea exactly how to name your item, because if you write cat gloves, you have quite a lot of competition. You have quite a lot of search results. But if you write cat grooming gloves. No one really knows about them. That's why there's gonna be hardly anything. This can also give you an idea of what terms you can use if you're using Google Analytics or you're using Google advertisements mainly. So this is a really good way to understand that. But as you guys can see, this will exactly tell you what is trending right now. So you can type in all these things before you go ahead and sell the item. So we have the cat bracelet, we have the cat necklace, and now we're gonna write cat hoodie, and we're gonna see which would be the best item to sell out of those. Look at this, guys. The cat hoodie is even better of a thing right now. Although it's kind of declining right now, but still, comparatively, cat hoodies are awesome. So now you know that instead of selling a cat bracelet or necklace, while 98% of the people are gonna go and sell cat bracelets and cat necklaces, you now know that you can sell a cat hoodie. So you're gonna type in cat hoodie over here, and then you're gonna sort it by orders. And boom, we just found a $10 hoodie which says I'm a cat with a really cool little ears on the top. And this, I can already tell how amazing best selling this already is. You can already see people already wearing this. We're gonna go all the way down. And this is not really hot right now. As you guys can see at the bottom over, there's too many images here. Jeez. As you guys can see. So, over here, you guys just saw that it has 20 February. So it's really not really a trending product right now. So instead of going with this, we're gonna check the other one. So we're gonna check the number 2, and we're gonna scroll down to this, all the way down. There you guys go. This is how you spot a trend, guys. This is exactly how you spot a trend. If you see over here, this product, where did it go? So we're gonna check out the top 4 hoodies and cats, and if you look carefully, here you guys go. This product right here has orders on the 21st, 22nd, and 24th, and 25th. But this one is trending because it has orders continuously from 24th, 25th, and 23rd. So this is how you guys know exactly what products are trending. So are you guys able to notice this? I really hope you guys are able to actually understand what is happening right now. What we did is first up, obviously, the first major step we took was actually find a niche. Then we went on towards what niche we have to pick. And then we found a generalized, really hot selling product like these cat grooming gloves, right? But now what we're going one step further, and we're going on Google Trends and diversifying. We're seeing what sells the best. Cat bracelet, necklace, or cat hoodie. What is going up right now? If you look at fidget spinners, you will see the trend was so huge that cat hoodies and all these things don't even compare to it. Hold on. Why is it not? There we go. There we go. As you guys can see, look at this. Look at this, guys. Are you looking at this right now? This is like the other cat hoodies that don't even compare to this. The size of this trend literally destroys any cat item you can ever sell. Because if you notice right now, this fidget spinner trend was such a huge trend. So as you guys can see, you cannot even see the cat hoodie or cat necklace or cat bracelet right now, because this is just an absolutely huge trend. Alright guys, this is how you can research on trends, what's going viral, what's not going viral, etc. And you can understand which products to sell like this. So what we're doing now is that once you found, okay, that out of the cat bracelet, necklace, and hoodie, hoodies are the most that are selling right now. Then you just go on hoodies, and now you're gonna find even better hoodies. So you're basically making holes inside holes. You're basically, the best way to say is you're double refining your approach. First, you refine the niche, then you refine what kind of product to sell, and then in that product, you're finding the best kind of product you can sell. So you're not just selling a random cat hoodie just because Nick said that, oh, cat hoodies are selling right now. You're selling it because you know it has a lot of orders. But yeah, guys, this is the main gist of it, because once you understand exactly what is selling and what you need to present people, then it's literally, there's no way you're not gonna make money. I of course go a lot more in depth about how to actually source these products and find them from different stores. I have all of that stuff in the course, of course, and exactly who to target with these things and how to actually go ahead and sell and make thousands of dollars with this. But of course, this is a really good start for you guys, and you can begin here and then constantly start moving up. But yeah, guys, so now we're gonna get off the computer, and yeah, I guess I'll just see you there. Anyway, I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did found some value in this, make sure you leave a like, because that's how I know you guys are enjoying the content. And yeah, we're going to be adding a lot more value to the course and the channel pretty soon. We're about to hit 2K, we're so close. And yeah, thanks for the support once again, guys. All possible because of you guys. I'm actually able to talk to you and give you all this advice and all these tips about dropshipping and making money in general. And yeah, once again, I'm going to see you guys later, and peace out.
Building walls to burn them down, cannonballs to watch me drown. You've got me lost in here and now, you've got me gone and lost and found. We only hang in evenings and I don't know what I'm thinking, but I know that I won't think it if I keep up with this thinking. All these dreams and all these plans we shared.